In this video, I'll walk you through the WhatsApp business onboarding process. Log into your Mercury CX dashboard. Go to Settings, then select Channels. Click the button that says Onboard a new number. Now choose WhatsApp as the channel for onboarding the number. Then click on Launch WhatsApp Signup. This will take you to Meta's embedded signup flow, which is powered by Meta. Now you'll be asked to log in with your Facebook account. Make sure you use the account that manages your business on Meta. Connect your WhatsApp account to Mercury by granting the required permissions. Click Get Started to move ahead. Next, fill in your business details such as business name, business email, business website or profile page. Click on Connect an existing WhatsApp business app. If you already use the WhatsApp business app, enter your existing WhatsApp business number and then click on Next. You will see a QR code on the screen that at the same time, Meta will send you a message inside your WhatsApp business app. Tap on that message, then click Scan QR code to scan the QR displayed on the screen. You'll also be asked if you want to share your chat history with the business platform. Choose carefully, because this decision cannot be changed later. Once connected, you'll see a success screen. Here, add your payment method and click Finish to complete onboarding. You've successfully onboarded your WhatsApp business account on Mercury CX.